Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 16.1.1. So Apple released iOS 16.1.1 today, and in this video, we are going to talk about what's new in this update. Is it worth installing this update on your device? My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so first of all, hit that subscribe button because we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Alright, so talking about the iOS 16.1.1, it was not so big of an update on my iPhone 12. It was roughly at 400 MBs on my iPhone 12, and on my iPhone 11 it was 380 MBs. It will vary from device to device. It may be more on your device or less depending from which firmware you are coming from. There are a lot of factors, but it is not something you should care about a lot. Which you should care about is the update itself. Alright, so this update is majorly a security fix, and this update also has some bug fixes, really big bug fixes that a lot of you guys should care about. Right, so actually the biggest bug that a lot of you guys are annoyed about, I know, stop DMing me. I know the bug is Wi-Fi standby bug. Exactly, a lot of you guys including me was having this issue. It is also present on iOS 16.2 beta for me, not for a lot of you guys. It is fixed for you guys, but most of the guys still have a lot of issues on the iOS 16. Come on, the iOS 16.1 is the first release, and this is the refinement of that update. The biggest bug that a lot of you guys were facing was Wi-Fi bug, which was Wi-Fi was just getting disconnected when it was on standby, or when your phone was overnight on Wi-Fi. When you pick it up in the morning, you will just get bombarded by notifications instead of getting it at the same time. So the thing is, it was just getting disconnected, and it was a really bad bug and really annoying bug. I didn't like it at all. Neither, like, no one likes a bug. No one likes having bugs on their device. Finally, bugs are getting resolved, and iOS 16.1.1 gets this bug resolved. Now, the second thing that is new on this update is battery life. Yes, the battery life seems to be a bit better on this update. Now, battery is something which is a bit too early right now to talk about. We have to use our devices. I will come up with my review videos. Don't worry, I will come up with my review videos. Subscribe to this channel. I will come up with a lot of videos related to this firmware. If you are interested into that, which you are, of course, you are watching this video, subscribe right now. And the WhatsApp bug seem to be resolved right now. Like, I haven't experienced it as of now. I am not sure if it may occur again, but as of now, the WhatsApp bug and Wi-Fi bug are the only two things which are new I have seen on this firmware. Not a lot of new things that I have discovered as of now, and I doubt there are any new things on this update compared to the iOS 16.1, as iOS 16.1 already had a lot of new things. The biggest thing being the battery percentage thing, and a lot of you guys who haven't still updated on iOS 16 and considering updating to it now, well, this is the best time you can do it, because iOS 16.1 still had some bugs, and 16.1.1 is probably the most refined and the best version of iOS 16 as of now you can be on. And I'm pretty sure you ain't gonna get any better chance to update to iOS 16 than now. Like, iOS 16.2 will be buggy. I mean, I'm using the 16.2 beta on my device, and it is really buggy. Trust me, you do not have to install iOS 16.2 on your device. I have to keep downgrading and upgrading my device. This is my life. You have to subscribe to this channel. So let's just do it and get me to 10k. Please do it. Come on, guys. We are stuck to 9k for so long. Let's just get it. Alright. Enough of me asking for subscribers. That's it for this video. If you did watch this video till the end and like this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. And at the end of the day, I would say 16.1.1 is a great update. Go ahead and install it on your device. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.